not going to get offended. You know when people get offended really quickly, right? Especially some guys are in there, but this, you know, what do you know? And I'm going, hold it, okay, here's what I know. You take this, and the guy goes, I don't need any of this shit. I grind it off. I take a wire wheel, grind that off. They do.
Yeah.
Okay. I said, okay. Well, first of all, why do you do that? Well, I get rid of the black and make it look nice and shiny, right? Okay. It works probably for a week, right? He goes, well, I don't know. I don't see it after it. I said, because the minute you grind that off, using a stainless steel brush, which is primarily carbon steel, you've inflected carbon steel onto that, so you're going to have a bigger corrosion issues, right?
Yeah.
But I said, more importantly, who do you get to grind that? Who do you get the wire wheel, all this stuff off? The kid in the shop. I said, okay. You know what you're... So I go out to the shop, and I go in there, and I go, whoa, I'm not going back there. He goes, why? I say, because that kid's not wearing... He's wearing safety glasses, but no mask, no anything. And he goes, yeah, so? I'm going, okay. Then you don't know much about hexavalent chrome, and chrome 3 and chrome 6 is highly... This is more dangerous than hydrofluoric, okay? He goes, bullshit. I go, it is. Okay. What happens is when you airborne this, you fly it, the dust goes into the air, right? And everybody's walking around the shop and they're all happy, right? The little particles go in your ear, your tongue, your nose, right? It's water soluble. So what's happening? The water soluble, the hexavalent chrome's going into your bloodstream.
Absorption.
And 10 years later, that's why all the lawsuits are coming out 10 years later, right? The guy's got cancer. He's again, he gets diagnosed. It takes 10 years for it to get activated. They go, hey, did you work at a fab shop? Well, you got contaminated with hexavalent chrome. Guess what? 1-800 lawsuit. It's coming.
Yeah.
The guys don't realize it is coming, right?
Yeah.
The guy goes, well, we do air quality tests, so we don't have any problems. I'm going, okay, you can talk to me privately. I know what you do when you do the air quality test, right? You don't sweep the floors, you don't do shit for 2 days before the guy comes in to do the air quality test. Of course, there's nothing in the air. The minute he leaves, you tell the kid to sweep the floor, clean up all the dust and the shit, right? And you start over doing what you're doing. This is a wrong thing to do, because the minute you sweep the floor, you're sweeping all this dust into the air, and it's floating around, and guys are there working away, not realizing what's happening. They don't even realize it. So this CEO, he listened to me. I said, so that's my story for today. And he was so terrified. This was down in the East Coast. He went pale white. He had a big shop. I said, I'm an owner too, and I've had many companies. I just hate to see you lose your company because you're not aware of your safety. People are not aware of the dangers that you're involved with here, right? And next thing you know, I had 50 people around my booth. And I was writing their procedures for passivating and pickling.